Don't let this be you. Go from this to this in a few easy steps. Let's learn how to tie our laces. Now, let's start with a simple knot. The first step is to hold both ends and cross them over each other. Next, take the end that is in front and pull it through the opening where the strings intersect, and then pull tight. Now for my favorite part, the bunny ears. Grab each end and make a little loop. And then hold them where they cross over themselves. And then take each loop and cross them over each other, like how we did when we began when tying the knot. Now, pull the front bunny ear through the back into the opening at the bottom. Pull both ends tight, and there you go. Say goodbye to untied laces and say hello to newfound fun and safety.